What's up, guys? This is Ash, and we have just left Gokarna. Not really left Gokarna, we are leaving for Gokarna, leaving from Gokarna, and we are headed to Wayanad. So, this is the day 2, and today's ride is around 500 kilometers. So, it's expected to be around 11 hours. Now, since the road is kind of jammed and not all that great, I'm expected to be little late. All in all, Gokarna is a beautiful place, but if you're coming here by road like a ride or a car, the roads aren't really all that great, so you'll have to keep that in mind. Look at this beauty.
I'm looking for a way inside your mind. It's a haze of mysteries. All I see is smoke and mirrors and the reflecting memories. I need to figure out how things are twined. The ropes are choking us. If only I could blow away the heavy clouds up in our sky. I see you. Can you see me too? Tell me how it feels to know that I cannot let you go. My veins, they are strained, 'cause my heart is blue for you. I would do anything just to have you once again. I've lost my weakness, only void inside my bones, paralyzed like a dog. Tears filling up with.
Now, since the road is like this, it's not like a freeway and there's a lot of traffic, random traffic. So we are expected to be a little late. We have kept that buffer in mind. We are doing our best to maintain an average of around 60, 60, 70. Not too fast and not too slow.
I'm looking for a way inside your mind. It's a haze of mysteries. All I see is smoke and mirrors and the reflecting memories. I need to figure out how things are twined. The ropes are choking us. If only I could blow away the heavy clouds up in our sky. I see you. Can you see me too? Tell me how it feels to know that I cannot let you go. My veins, they are strained, 'cause my heart is blue for you. I would do anything just to have you once again.
Now, since we have a little time, like we have a lot of time, I'm just going to talk about little about Gokarna. I mean, my first ride to Gokarna, how was it? We spent some time on Beach and a little on Kudle or Kundal. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. So, anyways, Beach is fabulous, and like a lot of people have told me ki, like this is a secluded beach, no one really comes here, blah blah blah. It's not really that way. Even Paradise Beach, there were a lot of people going towards Paradise Beach. I mean, they were trekking towards Paradise Beach. So like that time of it being secluded and stuff like that, it's gone. I mean, it is becoming second Goa, so you will find a lot of crowd. But all in all, it was pretty beautiful. I would say better than Goa at least. So that's given. So anyways, how long it's gonna stay better, that is not something that I can really comment on. My first day to Gokarna, it is a bike ride. So generally the last patch from Mumbai to Gokarna, the last 100 kilometer, we were doing 700 kilometer that day, and the last 100 kilometers had shit ton of ghats, and the roads were pathetic, like really really bad. So which made us generally late from what we had planned our timing. We reached around 10:30, 11. We reached late, so we have the next day. We'll relax on the beach, and then like eat whatever the best things around. Go to the shack, relax, and all that. So it's 11 in the night. It's cold, and we call our hotel. The hotel we booked in, they had also taken the money, so we called them up. The links of the hotel will be in the description below. I'm not really going to say it here, but I'm going to put it in the description below. So that's something that you need to keep an eye on. Like, it's not a bad hotel. I would not say it's a bad hotel. The service is great. I mean, it was rated pretty nicely. That's why we booked it. But this is a rule that we did not know of, nor they even informed us. Even in the mail, we shared a few mail, and they had sent a mail key confirming that your booking is confirmed and stuff like that. But so we reached at 11 o'clock, and we called them up like we will be crashing in, and we are reaching in so and so time. They just told us like your booking is cancelled, like 11 o'clock in the freaking night. They told us our booking is cancelled because they have a rule: by 6, if you don't check in, all the bookings get cancelled. I mean, at least inform, even write it like TNC on the freaking mail. Even that wasn't there. We cross-checked the mail, it wasn't there. So like it's 11 o'clock in the night. It's dark, it's cold, and we literally have no idea where to go. Like, we literally have no idea. And so we started searching places and all that. So there was something very close by, cautiously. We were getting the booking somewhere pretty cheap. I'm not really sure the exact price, but we went to a different hotel that is like 3,000 bucks per night. The room is average, not worth 3,000. I can totally assure you that. Even that details I will put in the description. And we stayed there. Like, it was a bummer. Like, trust me, the stay was a bummer for us. Like, so that was the first day in Gokarna for us. So like, yeah, that's literally about it. Just to relax our heads, because it's been terrible. We spent some time on the beach, and I mean, I think that really helped us relax a lot. There was a lot of frustration in the night. We got really mind fucked, and I think all in all, it worked out eventually. It was overpriced, but I think yeah, I think it was worth it. I wouldn't, no, it wasn't worth it, but it worked out eventually.
I'm looking for a way inside your mind. It's a haze of mystery.